Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to turn off live photos on iPhone easily, so let's jump right into it. First we open the settings app and then we scroll down until we find camera. We tap on it and then from there we tap on preserve settings right here, and there we will find live photos turned on. You can just tap the toggle next to it to turn it off or on whenever you want. And that is it, guys. This is how you turn off live photo. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe and also comment down below. Thanks for watching.